In today's video, I'll teach you how to delete designs in Redbubble. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in redbubble.com, press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Redbubble. In this interface, you'll be able to find various options over here. Make sure you're logged in to your account. So if you want to delete the designs that you've created, it is actually very simple. For that, what you have to do is click on this profile icon that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. You'll be able to find the options like order history, bubble mail, account settings, etc. Click on this option, manage portfolio. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to manage your portfolio. So if you want to delete the design, it is actually very simple. Identify the design that you would like to delete. After you do that, click on this gear icon that you'll be able to see in that particular design. Now you'll be able to find the options like view, edit, copy settings, etc. At last, you'll be able to find the option for delete. Click on it. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Click on this option, OK. Now you can see over here that particular design will be deleted. So that is how you delete design in Redbubble. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.